Hey, happy Monday, everybody. Brad Niccum Nest Mortgage Group here. Starting to get my office put together again, so starting to see some guitars popping up in the back there a little bit. Hey, the mortgage market is getting a little looser as many of these COVID restrictions start to drop off, which is helping a lot of the borrowers. This makes it a little bit easier for some of the self-employed borrowers get approved, a little less documentation needed. We're also seeing programs that tightened up get looser. Like, for instance, how about FHA loans back down to the 580 credit score? So now I can get FHA down to 580, can go lower than 580 if they're putting 20% down. That money can be a gift. And then on top of that, FHA has loosened some of the rules on documentation for the gifts. So family members still need to be that, still need a close friend. Those things are still important, but now the documentation of that doesn't have to be as hard. In other words, I can just say you're a cousin. I don't have to prove that you're a cousin through a whole bunch of marriage licenses and documentation. So close friend the same. Someone can be a close friend. This really makes it easier for the people that are fiancés, where before that was almost impossible to document. Today we can just put fiancé. Boom, now that engaged borrower can use a gift from the person they're engaged with. Another program that's coming back is our Jumbo Advantage program, up to 90% LTV, no PMI. Credit scores down to a 680. Loan amounts up to $2 million. 30-year fixed, could be on a primary, a second home, or an investment property. That program is great, so we're glad to have that thing popping back in. So now a lot of jumbo options. And this program does have great rates. It follows agency underwriting guidelines, which means we underwrite it like a conventional loan. So if you have a jumbo buyer, needs to close fast and get a great rate, call me. Pre-approvals are still getting done in less than an hour, 7 days a week. So just give me a call. We can get your client approved before they start looking, or like the call I just had, they already put in an offer and they need their pre-approval letter for a second home. Knocked it out in less than an hour. Turn times are still running 48 hours or less for underwriting on all loan types, closing everything that we're doing inside of 30 days. Loans the 20% down with appraisal waiver, we can close those puppies in 15 days or less. So if you want to find out how your buyer can receive an appraisal waiver, just give me a call. Or if you need somebody pre-approved, we'd love to work with them. Hope you have a great week this week.